Do you ever wish that you were somewhere exotic? Well, Chef Zayn from Medyz Swahili Cuisine is going to take you there with her cooking. You're making a creamy coconut spinach.
That's right,
Yummy.
Cindy. All the way from the islands of Mombasa in Kenya. I'm excited to share with you and with all of you. This is a very interesting one. So I will do some of the Goya olive oil.
Yes, my favorite. So
It's an award-winning too.
olive oil, I just love.
We have some chopped red onions.
So Medyz Swahili Cuisine is from Kenya. So tell us, what is that cuisine?
We're from the islands of Mombasa, and the Swahili fusion is a blend of three cultures: the Arabs, the Indians, and the Africans. That really makes the food more interesting and very authentic because it's a blend of all these flavors. So today we have some Goya 100% natural cut spinach. You lightly fry the onions. I also like the Sazan seasoning.
From Goya.
Yes.
That sasses up any dish. Has everything in there.
It gives it a very interesting flavor. And now we'll add some garlic.
Yeah, I like the Goya garlic because it's
already chopped.
Yeah, it's pressed. You don't have to worry about chopping it up. Just get the jar or squeeze bottle and add it to any.
It gives it a very fresh smell and scent. I'm also gonna add some green pepper.
For that little kick.
Yes.
Yes, that we all love. Yes, I do. If you don't want the kick, of course, you don't need to add the green pepper.
And now the spinach. I'll do like a whole cup of spinach.
Okay.
So after we cook it for 7 minutes, we will add the Goya coconut milk into this spinach.
Oh, so luscious.
Yes, it is.
Yummy. I love the Goya coconut milk. It's so rich and natural.
Yes, it is.
And thick.
You don't really have to cook it. So this is our final product, Cindy. Creamy coconut spinach.
Ooh.